First, open your browser and type Zurich Insurance Customer Care Number. Then, you will see the latest and write Zurich Insurance Customer Care Number. After this, dial their customer care number. Once you have dialed the Zurich Insurance Customer Care Number, here are the general steps you can expect and how to proceed. 1. Automated System, Interactive Voice Response, IVR. You will likely be greeted by an automated system. Listen carefully to the menu options provided. These options will usually direct you to specific departments or types of inquiries. 2. Identify the right option. Based on the reason for your call, select the option that best matches your query. Common options might include claims policy inquiries, billing, customer service, specific types of insurance, e.g., auto, home, business. 3. Follow the prompts. The automated system might ask for additional information, such as your policy number or zip code. Be ready to provide this information accurately using your phone's keypad. 4. Wait for a representative. After selecting the appropriate options, you will likely be placed in a queue to speak with a customer service representative. Be patient, as wait times can vary depending on call volume. 5. Speaking with a representative. When a representative answers, be prepared to clearly state your reason for calling. Be concise and explain your query directly. Provide your policy number and other identifying information if requested. Listen carefully to the representative's questions and answers. Ask clarifying questions if anything is unclear. Take notes of the conversation, including the representative's name and any reference numbers provided. Be polite and respectful. 6. Follow instructions. The representative will guide you through the necessary steps to address your query. This might involve providing further information, explaining your situation in detail, or following specific instructions. 7. Confirm understanding. Before ending the call, ensure you understand the next steps, any actions you need to take, and when you can expect a resolution if your issue isn't resolved immediately. 8. Request further assistance if needed. If you feel your query hasn't been adequately addressed, politely ask to speak with a supervisor or request further assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively communicate with Zurich Insurance Customer Care to address your inquiries after dialing their customer care number.